everyone, in a few days it's going to be autumn. Well, at this time of the year, I take out all of my summer clothes from the closet and then put out my autumn clothes. So if you're thinking of giving away your clothes, stop right there because there's a way for you to keep them no matter how old they are. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D and my channel is all about fitness, wellness, empowerment, staying inspired and loving your age. Just because we're older, well I'm 60, doesn't mean we can't enjoy life. Life is all about loving what you do, being passionate about what you do and feeling good. And you know, when you feel good, you look good. The aura is just there. Today we're talking about looking good, looking tall, feeling tall, while using your huge old clothes. I am 5'1.5", so my problem was always how I could look taller. Number one, if you have old clothes that are huge for you or pants that are huge for you, there just might be a way to reuse them. So if I'm wearing this with my favorite wool pants, just look at me right now. I probably look shorter than I am, right? So let's have some magic and see what matching the right clothes can do for us. When I had these clothes, I was at my heaviest, 140 pounds. That's why I love these clothes, because they hid my flabs. It's normal because you want to feel good, right? You want to be confident. But see, a big no-no is wearing big tops and big pants, because then it really makes you feel stocky and short. So I gather the hem and then roll it in a knot, use an elastic, and then hide the knot underneath, and voila! It just made my pants and my legs look longer. And remember to always wear black shoes if you're wearing black pants, because then it does not cut your leg at the ankle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, or if you think that my channel is going to be helpful to you down the road, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, hit the notification button, share, and comment. I like to hear from you. Second, accessorize. You know, you don't have to have branded clothes. You can have the simple clothes, but when you wear really good quality belts, then it makes such a huge difference. So in this style, I'm going to tuck my top all the way inside, and I'm going to wear one of my favorite belts, my Ankline belt, and look at how it totally changed how I look. One of the best tips that I can share is, if you're wearing a loose top, then wear something tighter at the bottom. And look at how it totally changes the look, right? And then put on your favorite belt. I know belts usually cut your torso, but in this particular example, we are actually comparing this with wearing the top as is. So it now gives you a good body shape right there. Now this is what I love about huge tops, because you can really use your creative juices, right? So see how flowing my sleeves are? I just really love this top. So fold the sleeves all the way to about above your elbow, and then I would secure that with a safety pin and then hide that safety pin under the fold. So if someone was looking at you wearing that restyled top, they'll never know that it's the same one as you wore the other time, right? They never know. And again, of course, another style is to tie the hem in a knot and then hide it, and there you go. Those are my tips for today, because my goal is for us to feel good whatever it is that we are wearing. We can wear old clothes, we can wear inexpensive clothes. It's all about feeling good in our clothes. We wear the clothes. We never let our clothes wear us. So thanks for watching. I hope that I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. My account handle is TheRealD, and I hope to see you there. Until then, my sisters, enjoy the last few days of summer and get ready for fall. Remember the colors: red, orange, green, brown, gold. They're all coming to play. So let's all welcome autumn with excitement and good health. Bye for now.